As a stylist, do you get requests from clients to bleach and lift ultra dark hair and make it ultra white blonde? It is possible to do this. Our hairdresser, Ashley Betancourt, will show you how. We're going to use Brilliant Blonde Lightener, and we're going to use 30-volt developer because the hair is so dark, and the mix is going to be 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. We're going to section and we're going to start applying at the back, working as fast as we can. This hair is pretty long, so we're using 2 hairstylists to help us go as fast as possible so that we can get an even processing time pretty much all around her head. Once you apply it everywhere, check your hair and make sure that it's lifting and you're getting to the right level. If necessary, you can make a fresh mix and reapply. Once the lengths are done, make a fresh mix, this time with 20 volt because we're going close to the root, and do the whole root area in this way. So we've done with the bleach and we've rinsed, and the whole head is now at a very nice, consistent level 9, and we're ready for our toner. We use Ugly Duckling Intense Pearl Blonde mixed with 20 volume in a ratio of 1:2, and we go ahead and apply. As usual, we apply with a brush, and then we apply once more with our fingers using gloves to make sure that we get excellent product saturation on the hair. Like with the bleach, apply on the lengths first and then do the roots after. And as the toner starts to process, you will see the hair turning purple and turning grey as we lift the hair up to a beautiful pearl blonde color. And now we apply purple shampoo and purple mask to close the hair cuticle after bleaching and to kill any remaining yellow that was in the hair. So we're blow drying it out now, and you can see that we've got a beautiful, consistent, ultra white pearl blonde color result. And you can see the hair integrity is absolutely perfect. And in fact, our model was so happy with this look, she went out and wore this look to her summer proms. So enjoy.
You are a blessing. You are made of stars. You come from near and far. Remember who you are. You are made of stars. You gotta love me. It's the only way to be, 'cause when we love me, we can finally be free.